Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you today's unboxing. Very special indeed. Ooh, buddy. Some of you may know about this box, but a lot of you may not. Read it. Read it. The New Beginnings pack, baby. A lot of history right here. A lot of history. Jordan's 1984 Airship PE. First time released ever. Bruh. And then we got his 1985 Jordan 1 PE colorway. Never released. Last time we saw he was wearing it, 85 against the Knicks, January. So as I said, New Beginnings pack, amazing. Dropped 2020 All-Star Weekend. Only dropped in Chicago. BS, you ask me. Only dropped in Chicago. So you had to go to Chicago to get it, have a hookup. Of course, everybody had hookups and it was gone. I doubt anyone actually stood in line and had retail and got lucky, that type of thing. Very limited. Box, amazing. And look at this. Look at this box. Half and half. Boy, that's sick with it. Giving y'all the 360 view. Bottom. Dead stock, baby. Dead stock. Shout out to Stadium Goods. They had a sale on this thing in my size. Don't ask me how or why, but I fuck with it. All right, let's get into some heat. Let's get into some heat. Man, this box is cool. Ooh. Ooh. How you doing? What should we start off with first, man? 1984? 85? What's good? Hey, let's just go oldest first. So again, Jordan was wearing this bad boy. Rookie year, 84. This would be the Nike Airship. Now, the red and black version of this Airship was the one that was actually banned. But this one was not. Wowzers. Whoa. Whoa. The Airship, baby. The Airship. Now, honestly, when I first heard of this pack, 2020, wasn't super stoked about this. But after really getting to know the history on it, watching videos, and now even having it in hand, bruh, this is a sick-ass shoe. Hence me clearing up 2 spaces for the very top up there. Oh, yeah. This is nice. Materials premium. Boy, look at this leather. That. Look at that. That midsole. Man. What we got? Nice. Nice. Oh. Got some stats. Get a little close up for y'all. Look at that. Nike Airship. Woo. October 26, 84. Nice. Nice. Yes, sir. We got that. Oh, man. Very nice. Very nice. Second shoe. Obviously. Dude, really love these bottoms. Look at that. Look at that, boy. I did not think I would like this shoe this much, but boy, this is a vibe. This is a retro vibe. And we got our little booklet. Ooh, we got a little airship booklet. Ooh, telling us about the shoe. Okay. Okay. Nike giving us the particulars. Oh, yeah, look at that. Nike Airship PE. Owner's manual. All right. Boy, this, man. Give y'all a little close up. Man. That's tight. That's tight. Let's go ahead and throw that back in here. Of course, give you some extra laces, red laces, but we'll definitely be keeping them white. That crispy white over here. Man, this suckers is nice. All right. All right. Shall we move on to 1985 for the bread and butter, baby? I'm excited about this one. This one made me want this pack. And man, this shoe right here, sir, it's that time. It's that time. Throw it back to this Jordan 1. One of, if not the very first Jordan 1. Definitely this PE colorway. Ooh. Almost didn't believe it until I saw some retro pics of him wearing this colorway on court. Like I said, it was like January 85, playing against the Knicks. They had some footage and it's white and red. Oh my gosh. And this is the 85 cut too. If you know anything about what they're doing with the Jordan 1s now. Got the 85 cut. It's like reverse breads there, 85 cut. But oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Honestly, man, real talk, I'm digging these more than the Chicago's. Obviously, a little similar colorway, you know. Chicago's got the black check and upper portion's black. Then red throughout. Red on the bottoms too, but yeah, man, I would take this over the Chicago colorway all day. This is sick. Man. Yeah. This is the vibe right here. Indeed. See what we got here. Check on the insides. Come with the red laces. Like I said, I know it comes with. Oh, well, you got the OG hang tag also. All right, all right. If you know something about something, you know it's the OG hang tag that used to come on them. Jordan 1s back in the day. Yeah. Piece of history right there. High 85 cut. Yes, sir. Come with the red laces. I will be switching out the red laces. The extra white laces here. I've seen the pics of the white laces. Definitely sets it off even more. Definitely sets it off. Let's get in for the particulars. Yeah, there you go. Got that info. Sick. I know some people take these off, but, you know, I got those in my other one, and hell, I just keep them in, man. Just wear them. No big. Let's see what we got. Our production dates. July 17th to October 23rd, 2019. Like I said, these dropped 2020, All-Star Weekend. Man. Man. Give y'all a close-up. I see on these OG 85 or high 85 cut, they give you the real leather. Not the thin stuff that's on basically everything else, you know. This is some real thick cut leather. It's going to be stiffer, but hell, I prefer it. Let's give y'all a better close-up look. The other one without the hang tag in the way. Man. This red and white is crisp. And don't get me wrong, the red laces that come with it here, they look good. They look real good. But the white laces are just going to set this joint off. Man, I can't wait to rock these. Definitely not one who gets all these and lets them sit in a box. I keep my rotation going. And we actually wear our shoes out here. Ground me live kicks, baby. Hell, let's get these things laced up. Get a little on feet. And we got the white laces in. On feet. Looking crispy. Wowzers. Hot. Hot fire. Dylan, Dylan, Dylan. Woo! Crispy. Let's lace up these airships. Got them laced up. Looking right. Give you that 360 while it's laced. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sizing is normal to Jordan 1s if you're wondering, if you're trying to get this pack later on down the line. Personal size 12 for me. Man. Too clean. Too damn clean. Airships is next. Damn, damn, damn. Damn, damn, damn. I mean, I liked them in hand, but wow. These things look crispy classic. On feet. Wow. And honestly, I just walked into the other room and back. These things are stupid comfortable. I mean, I'm talking stupid comfortable. Way more comfortable than any Jordan 1 that I have. Like, damn. I see why Jordan was balling in these. Rookie year. Nike Airship. Wow. These things are tight. Here she is. New Beginnings pack. Laced up. How I'm going to rock them. White laces on both. Jordan 1. High 85 OG cut. Killer. Colorway from 1985. PE. Yes. 1984 Airship PE. Man. And this red too. Like, this red is sick. It's a much darker red over here. Much brighter red. The bottoms. Hell yeah, man. Shit's tight. Shall add them to the collection. I think I'm gonna have to go back to red laces, man. I was thinking white at first. But I think it came with the red laces for a reason. Yeah. We switching them. Swap it out. Yeah, red laces is definitely the lick. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. 85.